TVJ Sports understands that former Carifta Under-20 100-meter champion and World Under-20 sprint relay gold medalist Sabrina Dockery has gone professional. It's understood that the 19-year-old former Lacovia High School standout has signed a 4-year contract with sports goods manufacturing giant Adidas and will be conditioned by world-renowned coach Lance Brauman in Claremont, Florida. Brauman is also the coach of 4-time world 200-meter champion Noah Lyles. Dockery also captured the Class 1 girls 100-meter gold medal at this year's Boys and Girls Championships. She has personal best times of 11.08 seconds for the 100 meters and 23.10 seconds for the 200.